Hi, good morning. So we have completed two physical quantities till now. Today we are going to look at the third physical quantity. The same thing what you have seen yesterday. For example, we were discussing about force, and when we were discussing about force, it has got two formulae: F equal to ma, F equal to mg. We have discussed, right? Now we must know in a clear way that the definition, exact definition of force, and also another formula for force. Before that, we have to find out the enemy of force, or this physical quantity enemy is force. We can say like that. See, whenever we keep on sleeping on the bed, if your mom come and take a bed sheet and then pick you up, what would you do? Oh, mom, what is this? You'd say like that, right? So you were said to be in a position named inertia, right? The inability of your body. It is the inability of your body to change by itself its state of rest, or to change by itself its state of uniform motion along a straight line. See, some objects we see here are at rest. They cannot move unless and until I apply some external thing or agency called force. Can you lift yourself? No. We need to apply some force by our legs, and then only we can able to lift ourselves. Can you walk on your own? No. We have to apply a force, and then only we can be able to walk. This duster has been placed on the hand. Does it move? No. Does it fly? No. Can it able to go out of my hand? No. Unless and until I apply force. So before I apply force, it was said to be in inertia, that is, it cannot change its state of rest. Or whenever a body is moving in a straight line, the same speed, then the body possesses inertia. That is also one of the definition of inertia. Unless and until an external force is applied to the speed, the constant speed, it cannot change its speed. So inertia is also called the inability of a body to change its state of uniform motion along a straight line, or uniform speed along a straight line. It cannot change its constant speed unless and until it is applied an external force. So force is the enemy for inertia, right? Also, inertia is directly proportional to mass. When mass increases, inertia also increases. A heavier object cannot be moved from rest position, right? Like that. Now, what is meant by force? So it is the external agency, externally applied one, which changes the state of rest, or which changes the state of uniform motion of your body in a straight line. So that is force. Also, we can say another definition for force. For example, if I take a chalk piece whose mass is m, and if I throw this chalk piece on anybody or anyone or any object, what happens? The mass of this chalk piece moves with the velocity v. This mass into velocity combined together and called as small p, which is called as linear momentum, because this travels in a straight line. This is linear motion, right? We are speaking completely about linear force. So this is linear momentum. Linear momentum means product of mass and velocity. So this carries a momentum and moves. So with respect to time, as time passes, this momentum keep on changing, whether it may decrease or increase. Okay, if this momentum changes with respect to time, mass, velocity by time taken is nothing but the rate of change of velocity is called as acceleration. So this P by T becomes the force. So it means that I can also write this as dP by dt as force. Rate of change of linear momentum is called linear force. We have to use the term linear, right? Rate of change of linear momentum. So as time passes, if the momentum also changes, the rate of change of momentum, rate here it means with respect to time. So whenever the chalk piece hits me with a force, I say no. So that force is nothing but the momentum keep on changing with respect to time and becomes a force when it hits on my face. This is a force. I think you would have understood. Thank you.